That's the truck. I can't wait. Oh goody, 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 oh goody.
A6600 camera has arrived.
Yeah. What do you think, Megs? You excited?
I like new box.
Zoe, are you ready? Are you ready, Zoe? She's ready. All right, I do not have a fancy knife. I have a average thumbnail. It could also be how you describe all my videos. If anybody wants to help me with thumbnails, feel free to let me know in the comments. I am just excited. I've been waiting and watching TV instead of editing video because I want to shoot all the video on this. The Sony a6600. Alright, so there's no seal. I just have to assume that no one has opened it before. That would not be the case for my lens. I can register my product and activate my limited warranty. By the way, most warranties are not good until you activate them. This is a 1-year deal. Nice. Reference guide. Sure. Foreign language. Interchangeable lens, digital camera. Okay. Oh, we're into the meat and potatoes now. Let's check it out. Unit. There it is. The A6600. So there's where your battery goes. I saved up for a very long time to get this camera, including selling one of my old cameras, Canon EOS Rebel T5i, to get this in the box. We've got the standard issue over the neck, over the shoulder
Strap.
Nice. And it's got the Sony twice. So nice they did it twice. And yeah, it's got that. Thought it was a fish at first, but now no, it's an A. Oh, looks like a super advanced micro USB cable. That's one of the complaints about this camera, is that it doesn't have USB-C. The battery is supposed to be large for the market. That's it. There's your battery. This is the standard issue Sony brick. Something fell on the floor. It's a piece of plastic. Looks to be something that would go over this guy. So yeah, that guy. This goes over that. I don't know. Worry about it later. So Sony a6600. It's open. It's really small. This camera is compatible with SD memory cards or memory stick media. For details, refer to help guide. Quick update, charging. Now it's time to go get that memory card. So headed to Best Buy right now because they say they have one of the type of card that I need. None of the old cards I have work. It does not use a micro. We're on our way to get some card action to do that. Mask. Extreme Pro 64 170. This might be my guy. Got it. Thank you. Back home with the card. Now this is the camera, and this is the lens I got. I actually got a deal. I bought it renewed, so I don't know what I'm getting myself into, but let's see what we end up with. There she is. And this is the vario-tessar 16 to 70 millimeter f4. Okay, so here's my first attempt at hitting 4K on the a6600. This is auto mode, and I tried manual mode, but I'm not there yet, and I need to study a little bit harder, but you are where you are. At least you know now what's in the box and what to expect when you open it up. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. I do reviews on tech. I do updates on electric vehicles. I'll show you how to do some DIY. And I've got a 14-panel solar array going in on my house. I'm going to document all that on this channel. So I would be extremely grateful if you could subscribe, and I will return the favor by giving you some great content in the future. Thank you in advance, and have a great one.